southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Barrington, or over Barrington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Zurich, Hawthorne Woods, Killdeer, and Forest Lake around 6:45 p.m. Palatine and Mundelein around 6:50 p.m. Arlington Heights, Buffalo Grove, Vernon Hills, and Long Grove around 6:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Indian Creek, North Barrington, and Deer Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.